Let's get into these notes with the Timeless Tarot Pull and the High Priestess. This is giving very lunar energy, very yin, divine feminine, dark, dream worldy energies. As I'm recording this message, the moon is in the sign of Scorpio. In fact, look at the bottom of the deck here. We have the Six of Cups. That is Sun in Scorpio. And we see here in this image that even though there is intimacy on deck, it's almost if it's not registering with them, that they're in another world, and that world is very deep and internal. And it's not that they don't want to acknowledge what's going on, it's just that maybe there's some difficulty in trying to even explain what's happening internally, much less register what's happening externally, and figuring out where that begins and ends. And there is the High Priestess, needing her time within to sort out what is real and what is dream, and maybe even to realize that they are one and the same, that there is fluidity there between these worlds, and that we should be paying attention, that we might be having a much more active dream life, because as I'm recording this message, Mercury has just dropped into the sign of Pisces along with the North Node, and Saturn is now at 29 degrees Pisces, which is very strong Piscean energy. So our dream life may have been kicked up quite a bit. And it's not all, rainbows. There could be some nightmarish type things too, but we also might be experiencing our ability to lucid dream, which is waking up within the dream, being able to make different moves and not just be an observer of the dream. In fact, it feels like the throat is very much highlighted here, with Mercury action. This is not just our ability to have better communication, even telepathy, but also the receiving of information from the ether, from our dreams, from our environment. So we just need to write some of these things down for future reference.